Hey guys, we received this COOFANDY sports jacket for men for test and try. Since comes in this small package, so let me just open it and show it to you. So this is a great like sports jacket to wear anywhere you want. And this is easy to clean and iron, and also easy to wear. So you can see this is a charcoal gray color, and this have these three buttons on the side, and this one button on the front, and then inner material is also soft and cozy with holding the things, the collar stuff. And so this sport jacket is actually helpful like again in the travel or anywhere you want. So the collar thing and every stuff. So after wearing, this looks really a nice set. It's fitting well and looks nice. Like from the back also you can see these cuts, and also the side stuff. So it's a comfortable, nice sports jacket with a one button and the side pockets.